If you think why I turn there and then come back, it is not possible. Turn straight to into forest. Too tight turning. I don't know. See you that how it's bended frame on the truck. Because here is a lot of deep hole here. Good Monday evening, and this week start with problem. As you see my previous video, I do some repairing in the workshop, and my colleague drive out truck this morning from garage, and he start truck and then give immediately failure to steering axle. That steering axle not turn any position. I don't know why it's failure there. I think we have to been many times problem with the cable loom there. That is electric steering axle, and we have to repair that 2 or 3 times before. Last time last autumn, and then there was some cable which was broken, and I don't know what the problem is now. And we get time to Mercedes workshop time Thursday, Wednesday, so we have to wait. But a little bit we get that inside the Mercedes workshop, and then have to check work every light now. No, 2 like this. Dark now, this one and other side. Not more. My repairing work. Now it's again cold, as you see. I don't know what is this evening plan. First I fill up a diesel, and as you see, have only 57 k's range left, and I think it's a very empty tank, as you see. 13 liters. Oh, I broke my mountain. This tank volume is 510 liters, and let's see how much there was left. Now it's total full. There was a 69 liters. Almost empty. 21, minus 10, 21 degrees. Cold again. This winter was very cold. 2 months, almost every day minus 20 or more. Couple of days have only minus 10. Not come any car. Oi. Not can turn so steep because it's not will turn because last axle not turning. It's go like a normal when you drive on highway, but problem is that if you turn, it will go only straight. Oh, but that computer ready. It's loading. There's a red. Come red, green. Now it's okay. But I go and measure this load and go to pulp mill and not can film there.
Nobody needs to know. Surrender to the grief. Nobody needs to know. Let go. Something out of nothing. If you believe, hold on tight, some sins, let go of what has been. Make it all glow. Dress up the shit inside. You're part of the rainbow. It's your right. Now let it all show. Pave the way for the ones behind. We'll be the sun, not a gray cloud. Stand out.
Freeze. Antifreeze liquid here. We have a gas paddle here, but that's better if use only that antifreeze liquid. Tomorrow is actually today service time, and they checked that bogie axle, but it's working now. Oh, why that's not open? No. Hope that starts. Oh. We get this car always when we leave truck on service here, but its gate is closed now. We have to leave side the road our truck, and they take in that on morning. This hydraulic hose is always icy because we not take away, never. Brake cable, light and oil. And here's the 20 tilted trailer hook. Only here is a safety lock. Have to push here middle and then turn. This turn like this. I don't know, it's not open now because I have to move truck a little bit. Like that it works. Then I can put this already close, and it hold open automatically. When there's a, you see here that when that touch here, when that soft touch here, it's launch that and it's lock. Very easy. I have to only put diesel heater on and it's a warm, ready the morning. Now it's half hour past midnight and I have a how much that take? Almost 2 hours when I am home. It's very long trip. But I start cleaning this cabin and take every stuff with me and what I need. And then I have to take diesel card. We have to fill up tank every time when we return that car back here. I think I come afternoon here and pick up this truck here. But let's see. Can scratch that. Windshield. Or put on Max. There is Max. What happened now? That is that problem, this loaner car, because not can scratch. That is away. Have nothing here. Oh, wait little bit. It's not take so time, a lot of time. Minus 21 degrees. That cold is now. I think it melted very quickly because that floor very hot. I think that enough now. It's better wait because never know if police stop it and give a fine to me, because if I remember right, that is 1500 Swedish krona if you drive with the freeze window, and then it's about 112 120 euros. It's about same on US. Of course, seat belt. Bing, bing, bing. My friend is there from Finland, but it's not that truck. I go here and here and then full throttle. Very bad light. Where's there the Sundsvall? We not go there because it's cold, too short. Next intersection here. Here Ei, Haparanda. Haparanda and Kiruna. This way go to north. This can be sometimes icy when because this is a travel lot of truck. Come there any? No. I think here's a new shop open. I think last week maybe. I think if I test now this middle of night, and then this is a 24/7 market. Here is something snack and drink, and I don't know what is there, but let's check how this works. Aha. I have to download application. What is that name? 24 food. No, why it's not fine? Ah, it's a book. No, 24. There. Let's see. Open. I have to put now identification. Unlocked. Here's of course camera, but I think what is here? Oh, here's a lot. Here's a chocolate and sausage and butter sandwich. Everything, but I want only drink. Is here some energy drink? If take, there's a big Red Bull. I'm not want nothing else. Start and scan. There. And then I open my card. And I really want your receipt, but no. It's work. It's work. How I can go out? It's very easy. Biggest job is download that application. Check lock. Very easy. Now I know what there is. If I need something, only come here and buy. That's why this is a very good spot here because oh, here is a truck diesel. Here is here. Here is my crane. Woo. We have to stay here 15 hours about more and wait when I come and pick up him. Bling bling bling. And now back to the road, on the road.